The best waterfalls in Colorado. South Clear Creek Falls. These unique falls are a 20-minute ride from the town of Greed, just off of the highway on the way to Lake City. Following Bear Creek up 2 miles from Telluride, you'll find Bear Creek Falls. Treasure Falls. These beautiful falls are near the town of Pagosa, just off the highway below the southern side of Wolf Creek Pass. Bear Creek Falls is a roadside, under-the-road falls situated below the $1 Million Highway near the town of Ouray. Adams Falls. These rolling falls are situated above Grand Lake and are a short, easy hike from the town of Grand Lake. Above the town of Telluride and below Bridal Veil Falls Basin is Bridal Veil Falls, one of my favorite waterfalls in Colorado, with electrical plants sitting on top of the waterfalls and still working today. Just up Cascade Creek from Lake Granby, you will find Cascade Falls, a large series of falls coming down from the lakes above. At Rifle Falls, in Rifle Falls State Park, near the town of Rifle, you get 3 waterfalls for the price of 1. Near the town of Ouray, you can visit Box Canyon Park, where you can see Box Canyon Falls from the catwalks in the canyon, or above the canyon. Above Sand Dunes National Park in the San Luis Valley, you can follow ZAPATA Creek up into a tight canyon and see ZAPATA Falls. If you want to see more waterfalls and places of interest in Colorado that are not listed in this video, check out my map of Colorado. Info and a link to the map is in the description below. To see unknown and unnamed waterfalls like this one, check out my other video, link below. If you are a fan of Colorado and the surrounding areas, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel. I upload new videos every other Saturday. If you join the channel as a member, you will get exclusive access to a map of everything awesome in Colorado. You can also support this channel by liking or sharing the videos I make. You can also purchase Colorado merchandise and print. link in the description below.